The regional security network set up by governors of the Southwest to curb insecurity is getting knocks from a civil society group known as the Societal Safety Network. The group alleges that the operation of this security arrangement could endanger the lives of the people of the Yoruba ethnic group living in other parts of the country. The group commended the ideal of the developmental agenda of Western Nigeria and their progressive action plan on the economy of the Southwest, but expressed great reservations about the hurried nature of setting up Amotekun without a proper legal framework and a clear-cut mode of operation. Well, joining me now to discuss more on this is Executive Director of Societal Safety Network, Abdurrahman Agboola. Good to have you right now on the news. So, first off, tell us why your group is taking this position, especially as we know that this paramilitary outfit, Amotekun, was set up to address insecurity concerns in the Southwest.
Well, firstly, let me say this, that the Amotekun platform was hastily launched, and launching a security platform at a regional level, it's an aberration because the Constitution of Nigeria does not recognize region. At the platform being launched at individual states in the Southwest, we can begin to ask to what good purpose and what are the modes of operation of this security outfit. But unfortunately, the conceptions and the notions in the public forum is that the Amotekun platform was set up only to address the issue of kidnapping and banditry occurring on the highways in the southwestern states. Now, we look at this properly. If the governors are sincere to their words, there are varied crimes occurring in the southwest states that require urgent attention. Not releasing the specifications in the operations of this platform is a serious concern and a source of worry. Many of us reside in the northern states, and any attempt to relate the Amotekun platform as doing ethnic profiling is going to lead to a reprisal attack that we have witnessed in the past. That is our worry, and that is why we are sending signals across that if any security platform we operate, it should be in conformity with norms and values of the Nigerian Constitution.
But security, we understand, is the major priority of any government in any country. So why do you think the security outfit they've created, which is supposedly to guard the Southwesterners against threats that we've been hearing all along?
Well, just months ago, just over a year ago, the former governor of Osun State, that's General Faregbeshola, for his 8 years in Osun State, we can check the crime profile in Osun State. It was at a low ebb. Why? He collaborated with the security agencies, the conventional security agencies that we know, especially the Nigerian police force. He provided logistics for them to be able to tame criminality in Osun State. He purchased helicopters. These helicopters often do area surveillance and parade in Osun State. What does it cost the governors of the Southwest to relate properly with the Nigerian police force, give logistic support, provide the allowances required for them to do a holistic review of the crisis in the Southwest? When the pastors of Redeemed Church were abducted by some kidnappers, that's months ago, and insults were hurled at the vice president, the GO of the Redeemed Church, and the whole world condemned the actions. When the Nigerian police force was empowered immediately to do an area surveillance, those kidnapped were released in less than 30 minutes of operation. We are at an era of technology. If the governors are sincere and are ready to tame crimes, their security votes are enough to take care of the logistics required with the conventional police force that we know to tame crimes in the Southwest. And come to think of it, is the Yoruba land that we have today, is it the same way in terms of moral standard and like Yoruba land that we have in those days? Charity begins at home. If everybody is keeping his criminal child indoor, going to the police station, going to NDLEA, going to the DSS to go and facilitate their release, even when they know their children have committed, So what are we saying?
Okay, so
we must all be determined.
All right, fine. I got your point there clearly, but let's get this, understand clearly now. What are your thoughts on community policing now? Do you think perhaps it is a way forward to address the insecurity concerns?
Yes, you see, there are informations that many people have that are not yet in public form. By the virtue of privilege, our organization is aware that the federal government set up a committee last year to verify which one is more appropriate for Nigeria, community policing or state police. And the report of the committee, according to information, has already been submitted to the presidency. Only awaiting the approval of President Muhammadu Buhari for community policing to commence fully in Nigeria on a holistic ground under the coordination of the Nigeria Police Force. And the governors are privy to this information. Unfortunately, majority of them, by information, are opposed to community policing. Their real intentions are to be in charge of security powers at their respective states, which we believe is not too good for the system at this particular time. Community policing is good, yes. If Amotekun platform will take headlong criminalities holistically, our organization will gladly support it.
All right, and that's a fine place to leave it right now. Abdurrahman Abuola, we appreciate your insights on TVC News.